Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you how to use a leftover yarn and I will make a very beautiful bow with it. This is the leftover yarn I am using for this video. This is a 3-ply cotton yarn and I am using a number 5 crochet hook which is equal to 2 millimeter. So first of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would make chains. So make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After making 10 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain. Now make chain 1, chain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and make a slip stitch into the first chain. These are the two sides of butterfly bow. Now make chain 1, chain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make a slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. Single crochet like this. Drop a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops, make a single crochet like this. You can also make a slip stitch if you want. I am making single crochet. So in each of these chains, we will make single crochet till the end, and we have made 10 chains and started working in the second one. So we will make total of 9 single crochet stitches on this base chain. This is our last chain. Make a last single crochet into it and then into the same chain here, which is the first chain, make a slip stitch. So this side is completed. Now make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and with the same process we are going to work into the second chain and make a single crochet into it. Single crochet into the next chain. I have made 10 single crochet stitches like this. Now make a slip stitch into the initial first chain which we have made on the other side of bow, and now make chain 1 and start working in this chain 10 space. So single crochet 1, single crochet 2, weave the starting and end inside these stitches as well so that we don't have to weave it separately. In this way we are going to make 18 single crochet stitches into it. I have made 18 single crochet stitches. Now make a single crochet into the same spot where we have made a slip stitch already, and now we are going to work into the next chain 10. So single crochet 1, single crochet 2, 3, 4 and in this way make 18 single crochet stitches. So I have made 18 single crochet stitches on the other side as well. Now make a slip stitch into the very first chain of this side as well and pull up the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and with the help of needle weave this yarn end at the back side. So pull the needle at the back side first and then pull the needle through some single crochet stitches of this side. Yarn end is woven, cut the extra yarn strand and our very beautiful mini crochet project is ready. You can use it as hair tie on. So I hope you guys like it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like this design of leftover yarn. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.